one is rational. The first one is fx equals 8 minus 3 to the second power minus 2, and the other is x minus 1 plus 2 under a radical. That's a radical. So essentially, what we want to do is, I guess, put these functions into each other, composite functions. So I'm going to take, so basically the function inside of the parentheses of where the x would be is the function that you should put in that equation. So for example, gx is x minus 1 plus 2 under a radical. Therefore, that would go in the place of x in the fx function. So I'm going to write it out. Plus 2 minus 3. Alright, so from here on, basically all we would have to do is solve it. So I'm going to start by taking out this square root we have here, because this whole section in parentheses is being squared. The square root on the inside would automatically cancel out. So and basically just going on. And essentially that would leave us with x minus 1 because it is squared to the second power. To the second power, and plus 1 minus 2. And that would be the final answer for this one, x minus 2. It doesn't have to be a singular number. Obviously, we'll still have the x in it because, the function that you're substituting it with will have an x in it. So don't be alarmed if that's what it looks like, because I was. And next, we're going to swap it out for g of fx. So in this case, same drill. Literally just substituting the x in the gx function for the f of x function. And because the x minus 3 in parentheses is being squared to the second power, and because it is inside of another parentheses, the radical does not cancel out the fact that x minus 3 is being squared. So instead, we're going to double distribute and double distributing would be FOIL, so front, outside, inside, last. So this is front, outside, inside, last, plus, and also including the -2 and the 2 that was included. So we're going to combine all like terms. So x squared, there is no other term with x squared in it, so that's going to be by itself. This would be -6x plus 9, and then we have a -2 and a +2, -2 and +2, so essentially we're adding that into 9. I like to do this separately because it makes me, helps me make sure that I got everything right. 9 minus 2 is 7, and then 7 plus 2 is 9. So essentially you can do it either way. Negative 2 and positive 2 would cancel out each other, but it would also make that number the same. So, and this would be the answer. So these are the answers for both.